Say hi, Nicholas. Say hi to your brother. What's that?
Yeah. Yeah.
Good boy.
Good boy. Kiss Jacob.
Jacob.
Mm.
Oh, what a good kiss, Jacob again.
Kiss mommy. I love you. Kiss Jacob. Kiss Jacob. Gentle, gentle. Gentle, gentle. See, like this, see? Jacob, I love you. Jacob. Yeah. Oh. Say hi. Hi. Kiss Jacob. Ooh.
Oh, nice kiss,
Kiss
Nicholas.
Mommy. Hug mommy. Hug mommy. Oh, good boy. Like that. Yeah, like that. It's Jacob. Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, that's nice of you, Nicholas.
That's for baby Jacob. You have to be gentle. Gentle with the baby. Baby. Baby.